Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes for an Airwallex transfer to go through. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed money quickly, but it was taking forever to get to you? Maybe you were on vacation and ran out of cash, or maybe you needed to pay an emergency bill. If so, then you know how frustrating it can be to wait for your money to arrive. Airwallex is a financial technology company that offers a variety of services, including international money transfers. They're a relatively new company, but they've already gained a lot of popularity due to their low fees and fast transfer times. So, how long does an Airwallex transfer take? The answer depends on a few factors, including the type of transfer you're making, the currency you're sending, and the country you're sending it to. Domestic transfers typically take 1 to 2 business days to complete. International transfers typically take 2 to 5 business days to complete. Express transfers are available for an additional fee, and they typically take 1 to 2 business days to complete. The currency you're sending can also affect the transfer time. Some currencies are more difficult to convert than others, which can delay the transfer. The country you're sending money to can also affect the transfer time. Some countries have stricter regulations than others, which can delay the transfer. Tips. Here are a few tips to help you speed up your Airwallex transfer. Use Express Transfer. If you need your money quickly, you can use Express Transfer. Send money in the same currency as the recipient. This will avoid currency conversion delays. Make sure the recipient's information is correct. This will help to avoid delays due to incorrect information. Monitor your transfer. You can track the status of your transfer online or through the Airwallex app. Airwallex is a great option for sending money internationally or domestically. They offer low fees and fast transfer times. However, the transfer time can vary depending on a few factors, such as the type of transfer, the currency you're sending, and the country you're sending it to. With that said, thanks for watching.